Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to be reading The Little Red Hen. It is a fable. A fable is a story that has been passed down for years and years and retold lots of different times. And fables almost always have a lesson to them. There's something the author wants you to learn. So I want you to think while I read and see if you can figure out what the lesson is in this story, and have somebody text me your answer, okay? What do they want us to learn by hearing this story? The Little Red Hen. Here's some information. It says, The Little Red Hen is a popular fable that has delighted generations of listeners and readers since it appeared in a story in 1907. Okay, so it's an old story. So different people have retold it. Some people have written it down and made books out of it. So it's been around for a long time. A little red hen lived in a house with a frisky dog, a cat, and a mouse. One day, while she was pecking for worms in the weeds, she came upon a pile of golden wheat seeds. She said with delight, "Dog, cat, mouse, if you'd like some cake to eat, who will help me plant this wheat?" The dog said, "Not I." The cat said, "Not I." The mouse said, "Not I." My, said the hen with a sigh, "I shall have to do it myself." So the little red hen planted the seeds. She watered them well and she pulled the weeds. She tended the plants all alone, and when the stalks had fully grown, she said with a shout, "Dog, cat, mouse, if you'd like some cake to eat, who will help me cut this wheat?" The dog said, "Not I." The cat said, "Not I." The mouse said, "Not I." My, said the hen with a sigh, "I shall have to do it myself." Does the hen look very happy? No, I don't think she's too happy about them not helping. So the little red hen cut and cut until she had enough wheat to grind at the mill. She said with some doubt, "Dog, cat, mouse, if you'd like some cake to eat, who will help me grind this wheat?" Think they're going to help her? The dog said, "Not I." The cat said, "Not I." The mouse said, "Not I." My, said the hen with a sigh, "I shall have to do it myself." The little red hen ground the wheat to flour, and then it was baking hour. She mixed up the batter and measured so well, soon the house was filled with a sweet cake smell. The dog, the cat, and the mouse followed the scent into the house. They hungrily admired the handsome treat. "How delicious!" they shouted. "When do we eat?" "Alone," the hen replied. "I planted, I weeded, I cut, I ground the little pile of golden wheat seeds I found. Alone I used the flour to bake. Now who will help me eat this cake?" You think they're going to want to help her eat? The dog said, "I'll help." The cat said, "I'll help." The mouse said, "I'll help." My, said the hen with a sigh, "I will share my cake with those of you who help when there is work to do. For after all is said and done, working together makes working fun." Now, when the little red hen wants to bake, everyone helps to make the cake. And everyone helps to eat it too. All right, I want you to think about that. What do you think the lesson was that they wanted you to learn in that fable? The cat and the mouse and the dog, they wouldn't help do any of the work, but what did they want to help do when it was time? They wanted to help do the fun part, to eat the cake, even though they would not help the hen while she was doing all the hard work. So what do you think the lesson is of this story? Think about it and have somebody text me your answer, okay? I hope you enjoyed that. Talk to you soon.